Hello, today I'm going to be showing you a little thing I figured out. It has to do with the PSP and the computer. How they actually will interact with each other using Wi-Fi. I'm on an HP Pavilion DB9000 and an old fat style PSP, but I honestly don't think it matters as long as you have a Wi-Fi enabled computer. But anyway, and also have Windows Vista. But if I go down here to connect to on the computer, it'll show all active Wi-Fi networks, and you see that there's only 3 here at the moment. But now if I go on my PSP and if I go to like the photo menu, for instance, there's 3 different ways I found. But if I go to photos and if I click send, the Wi-Fi light will come on and says searching for a PSP to send to. Now if I go to the computer and click the refresh button on the Wi-Fi networks, it shows this new unsecured network called PSP S0000000001 underscore L underscore photo.exe. You can't see the whole name, it doesn't show, but that's what it all says. And you can actually connect to it. Now if I click connect, I can click connect anyway. There, photo.exe, and it says successfully connected. Now I haven't found anything that you can do with this as far as connecting to, I mean like sending pictures or anything to your PSP or receiving, but it's just kind of interesting how they interact that way. Also, if you go to photos and you go to receive, also when I went out of send mode on my PSP, the Wi-Fi network changes on here and it says waiting for users to connect. But if I go ahead and disconnect from it real fast, now you'll see it's gone since the Wi-Fi's off on the PSP. But if I go to receive and refresh, there you go, see the new one, and it shows up the same, the photo.exe. And again, I can connect to it. I'm not going to. But, and the third way is if on the PSP you go to the game sharing and click on that, and it says searching for players. And then if I refresh this, it'll change, and now it says PSP S1000 game share, game SHAR. And again, I can connect to it, but nothing happens on the computer, or the PSP doesn't recognize it. But I just thought it was kind of interesting. I don't know if anybody else has found this, but it might open up the doors for developers to create programs or whatever for PSP, so you can like maybe wirelessly connect things to your PSP or whatever. So yeah, there you go. That's it. I just disconnected.